In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Slack workspace. There are two straightforward ways to get in, and which one you use depends on how you were invited. I'll walk you through both so you can pick the one that matches what you've received. The goal is to get you into the right workspace quickly with no guesswork. First, the invitation email method. Check the inbox for the email address your team used to invite you. Look for a message from Slack that includes a Join Now button or something similar. Click that link, and when the page opens, you'll be prompted to enter your full name. This is how teammates will see you in Slack, so use the name you want displayed. After you enter your name, click Continue. That's it. You'll be logged straight into that Slack workspace. If you don't see the invite, take a quick look in your spam or promotions folder and make sure the link comes from Slack's official domain. If the link has expired, you can ask your workspace admin to resend the invitation. Now let's cover the sign-in page method. Open your browser and go to slack.com/signin. Type in your email address and click Continue. Slack will send a confirmation code to that email. Head to your inbox, copy that code, and paste it back into the sign-in page. Once it's confirmed, you'll see a list of workspaces associated with that email address. Find the workspace you want and click Join next to it. You'll be taken right into that workspace. If no workspaces appear, that usually means there isn't an active invite tied to that email. Try the email address you used for your invitation, or check with your admin to confirm which address they invited. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Keep the Sign-In tab open while you fetch the confirmation code, since those codes expire after a short time. If the code email doesn't arrive within a minute or two, refresh your inbox or check spam. Make sure you're using the same email address your team used to invite you, especially if you have multiple accounts for work and personal use. And if you prefer using the Slack app, the flow is the same. Enter your email, confirm the code, and join your invited workspace. That's all you need to join a Slack workspace. Follow the path that matches your invite, and you'll be ready to collaborate in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and happy Slacking!